Today, let's test the impact of sketch images of several depths on AI rendering. Currently, achieving accuracy and consistency in AI presentation drawings requires a relatively high learning threshold. However, if an efficient creation of a relatively detailed and accurate 3D model can be made, the AI presentation effect can be improved to a large extent. First, quickly build a building. Use massing to create volumes. The height of the volumes and the height of the origin can both be directly entered. Make some changes at the bottom. The union operation of Boolean algebra can be used to merge the operation surfaces. The simple high-rise building volume is done. Quickly add a scene using the rendering tool. Throw it into a commonly used AI rendering website and have a try. When the angle is changed, the facade effect is different. After changing the angle, the relationship between the volumes is also wrong. The materials and the relationship between the volumes from several angles don't match directly. Let's try adding some partition details. First, unfold the facade. Divide the grid according to the actual size data. Project onto the facade. Then put it into the scene and export a sketch image. After having the curtain wall partition lines, the consistency from different angles is quite good. The relationship between the volumes is also more accurate. It is basically consistent with the effect to be actually expressed. There are no major problems even when zoomed in. Let's further deepen the model. As usual, use the tube function to create the curtain wall frame lines. Then create the transparency effect of the bottom glass. Similarly, export a sketch image. Put it into AI rendering. Not only are the sizes of the rods more accurate, but the difference in materials is also more obvious. It is easier to create the lighting effect and the glass effect.